Hello bhais and behens. Jokes apart. Well, today let's see and learn the special viral language of India right now, that is Bhailang. Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to install it, how to program in Bhailang, seeing all its formats like variables, looping, conditions, etc. Okay, so it is going to be very interesting video. So are you ready? Here we go. So first of all, let's see the official page of Bhailang here. You can see here a toy programming language written in TypeScript. Okay, so it is just like a JavaScript and it is made by these two guys here. Their profile is given. If you want to see, then you can just click it. And to install this Bhailang, you just need to copy this npm i-g Bhailang. Copy it. Okay, and just go ahead, open your VS Code, and then in the terminal just go ahead and paste this, and after this just enter it and your Bhailang will be installed. Then after this you need to install all the extensions also of this Bhailang language. Okay, and also first of all, remember that you have to install the node or npm in your computer. Okay, if it will not be installed, then it will throw an error while installing the Bhailang. So you need node and npm first to install in your computer, and after that only you have to paste and enter this to install the Bhailang. Okay, and to install the node and npm, just go ahead in this page node.js.org. okay, and here you can see the two options. Just go to this one and click it and download it. Okay, so when you download it, I have already downloaded it, and in the command prompt I can show you. Okay, so here this is my version of Node. Okay, it is installed in my computer, and similarly npm. Okay, so it is successfully installed in my computer. So this Bhailang language is also installed successfully. Okay, you go ahead and install it, install all the extension, and let's start the Bhailang program. Now here I have the folder Bhailang_demo. It is the folder name, and I have made this file demo.bhai. Okay, so this is the file name demo, and .bhai is the extension of this Bhailang language. Okay, now to start the Bhailang language, now let's go ahead and see the page, this official page. You can go down here and the simple program is given here. Okay, you can see hi bhai. So to start the program you need to write, so here also it is given all the things here. So hi bhai, you have to write to start this program, hi bhai. So then automatically there will be bye bhai. Okay, so this is the starting and the ending, and whatever code you have to execute you have to write inside of this. Okay, and whatever you write outside of this will be completely ignored. Okay, now let me tell you other things. Okay, so first of all let's print out something. Okay, and for that you have to write bol bhai. Okay, so it is just the English format is changed in Bhai language. Okay, so bol bhai. Okay, bol bhai kya bolna hai? So here I am going to write kaisa hai tu. Okay, so bol bhai kaisa hai tu. So that's the simple sentence in Hindi saying how are you. Bol bhai kaisa hai tu. So now let's save it, and to run this file of Bhailang you have to write Bhailang and then the page name, the file name demo.bhai. It is written here kaisa hai tu. Okay, so to print out you have to write bol bhai. That's interesting, isn't it? Now let me show you how to declare the variables. That is also very interesting. So to declare the variables, you can see the variables here. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to show it so it will be easy and fast. So bhai ye hai, it is how you declare the variable. Okay, so bhai ye hai, a is the variable name, and it is given and the value is given 10 to this variable. So bhai ye hai A equals to 10, bhai ye hai B equals to in 2. Okay, so it is the string variable. This is the number, integer and string variable. So simply like in other program, you declare the number and string variables. Similarly here also you can do the same. Okay, so bhai ye hai A 10, bhai ye hai B 2, bhai ye hai C 15. So it is how you declare the variables in Bhailang. Okay, so simply the Bhai language. And after that the calculation is going here. A equals to A plus 1, B is 21 and C asterisk equals to 2. Okay, C will be multiplied by 2. So again let's write bol bhai, and you know this is for printing out the things, or I'm going to print out A, B and C. Okay, so variable, save it. Okay, so here you can see 11, 21, 30. 10 plus 1, 11, 21 and 2 into 15, that is 30. Okay, so it is very simple language. Okay, and interesting too. Now let's see here the types. Okay, so here we have these types here, other interesting types. Okay, so I'm going just to copy here. So you can see here, this is the integer type, you know that one. This is integers and all, this is string, I have already told you, isn't it? And this is nulla. Now nulla means null. Okay, so they have given a very typical Hindi word, typical Bhai language here, nulla. Okay, that is for null. And here bhai ye hai F equals to sahi. Sahi, now this is the boolean variable, true, that is for true. Okay, true hai, sahi hai. And bhai ye hai G, this means false, galat. Okay, so this is the boolean variables here, and these are the string and integers type. Okay, so there are many types. You can just declare like this. You just have to write bhai ye hai, and don't forget nulla is for null, sahi is for true, galat is for false. Okay, so now let's see the conditionals. Okay, like if else, if, like that. Okay, so it is also very interesting. I'm just going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it here. Now here bhai ye hai equals to 10, so it is simply declaring a variable A equals to 10. And now here our very interesting thing, agar bhai means if A is less than 20, agar bhai A less than 20, then bol bhai, print out A is less than 20. Nahi to bhai means else if. Nahi to kya karna hai, nahi to bhai, else if A is less than 25, then bol bhai A is less than 25. Simple. And at last here is varna bhai. Varna bhai means simply else. Okay, so if you don't want to keep else if, then just take out this and there will be only if and else. Okay, agar bhai, varna bhai, if else. So this will be now if else if. Okay, so here simply the conditions are given here and print out the sentence. Okay, so just save it and again. Okay, so you can see here A is less than 20, so this one, yes, A is 10, so this condition is true, and then the print out is A is less than 20. Okay, so very interesting, agar bhai, nahi to bhai, varna bhai. Okay, so now the last one, last loop we are going to learn is this one. Okay, so how to write loop in Bhai language, let's see it. So I'm just copying it. Okay, so bhai ye hai A equals to 0, declaring the variable A, and jab tak bhai, so this is our loop start here. Okay, so for loop, like for loop, it is start here, jab tak bhai A is less than 10. So ye whatever inside here, do that until and unless A will be less than 10. Okay, so here now A plus equals to 1, that is A plus plus, increment by 1, And then after that agar bhai, so there is the condition, if else condition here, if condition here, agar bhai a equals to 5, bol bhai, andar se bol bhai a. Okay, so this will be print out. Agla dekh bhai, so agla dekh bhai is the means continue. Okay, so it will continue, but here the next condition, agar bhai a equal to 6, agar a 6 hai, to go inside and bas kar bhai means stop right here. Okay, so this is the break statement, and the loop will break out here, and it will, and the output will be execute. Okay, and then at last bol bhai done. Now let's save it and see the result output. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 under se bol by 5 and done. Okay, now let's talk about its error, and those errors are also very interesting, which I want to show you. Okay, so let me erase this semicolon here. Okay, now just save it. So now you can see here the error, syntax error, kya kar raha hai tu. Okay, so it is scolding me, kya kar raha hai tu, unexpected token jab tak bhai, expected semicolon. Okay, so here you need semicolon. Now the next error, let's see that one. Okay, so I'm not declaring any variable here, any new variable here, but I'm going to tell it to print out bol bhai b. Okay, so we don't have a variable b here declared here. Okay, so let us see what kind of error it throws. Okay, so here you can see runtime exception, variable b bana to le pehle. Okay, so again it is scolding us, variable b bana to le pehle, declare variable b. Okay, so the errors are also very interesting. You can see here. Okay, so this is the very interesting language I have ever seen in India. Okay, made in India, and very proud and very fun to learn this language. I hope these makers of this Bhai-lang will continue with this language and give us more things inside of this language. Okay, so I hope you also enjoy it very much. Please give your views in the comment, and this language is actually will be the fun in learning the programming for the students in India. Okay, so bhai log and behan log, please subscribe to our channel and like my videos. Thank you very much.